This is the ITIL assignment for TEC701. This PowerPoint is going to talk about the benefits to a company's internal customers and users. The focus will be on the service level management, which includes SLA, OLA, underpinning contract, and the service catalog, along with service desk, incident management, and problem management.
SLA, Service Level Agreement, is a written agreement that benefits both the customer and the IT department or the enterprise. Contained within this document, a variety of information such as rules, responsibilities, and objectives that both parties are going to partake in.
Service level agreement, used to build and formalize relationships between the customers and the IT department. It provides a framework by which services are defined. Service level agreements permit IT staff to be more accurate and cost effective, also being able to identify levels of service to the business.
Implementing service level agreements would provide immediate benefits. This would include a clear understanding and outline of roles and responsibilities, providing flexibility for the business overall and quickly able to react to market conditions, providing discipline in the internal and external sources of the IT department.
OLA is the operation level management. This is an agreement with the IT department and the SLA support chain. It basically describes the responsibilities that one support group has for the other support groups in the chain. It goes hand in hand with SLA.
The steps for implementation. The first step is to include a service catalog. Second step is to establish a working committee. Third, to develop a tracking system to ensure work is completed on time. Fourth step is to ensure everyone knows the effective dates of the OLA. And the fifth step is to provide training.
Why is an OLA important? This agreement defines all of the interdependent relationships among the internal support groups of the IT department. It defines the responsibilities of each internal group in relation to the other groups in a clear, concise, and memorable fashion.
There is a group of senior members who govern and sign the OLA in the first place. These members will once, at least every month, discuss the results of the previous month and decide whether or not everything that was promised was met, and whether changes need to be made to change the agreement.
Underpinning contract can be divided into two different versions. Version 1, a contract between an IT service provider and a third party. The third party provides services that support the delivery of an IT service to a customer. Version 2, a contract with an external supplier covering the delivery of goods and or services that contribute to the delivery of the IT services to the customers.
The underpinning contract's contents contains supplier information, clearance information, contract duration, and service times, and the required levels of support, such as on-site work and remote, also including the pricing and module responsibilities.
The importance of an underpinning contract is where the external supplier provides services that underpin the delivery of an IT service. It is essential that the provisions of the contract with the external supplier are consistent with the goals built with the SLA that depends on the external supplier. Oh, I got to the end of the year.
The service catalog enables customers to view and order items from departments such as IT within their organization. These items can include goods and services, which would be classified as category items, and or information, which is contact items.
The aim of the service catalog management is to ensure the accuracy and availability of the service catalog. The service catalog application provides data storage and administrative features, as well as an interface for end users to order goods and services.
The importance of a clearly defined service catalog in IT performance improvement initiatives cannot be overemphasized. The important first step and fundamentals to any ITIL improvement initiative.
A service desk is a primary IT service called for an IT service management, ITSM, as defined by the Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both users and the IT employees.
Many organizations have implemented a central point of contact for handling customers and users for other issues. The service desk types are based on skill level and resolution rates for service calls. The different service desk types include call center, contact center, and help desk.
The importance of a service desk not only handles clients, problems, and questions, but also provides an interface for other activities such as change requests, maintenance contracts, software licenses, service level management, configuration management, availability management, financial management, and IT services, and continuity management.
The way that incident management is defined in the real world is the way that the help desk puts out the daily fires. The objective of incident management is to restore normal operations as quickly as possible, with the least possible impact on either the business or the user, at a cost-effective price.
The activities of incident management process are incident detection and recording, classification and initial support, investigation and diagnosis, resolution and recovery, incident closure, incident ownership, monitoring, and tracking and communication.
The objective of problem management is to minimize the impact of problems on the organization. Problem management plays an important role in the detection and providing solutions to problems, workaround or known errors to prevent their reoccurrence.